Yeah, Quana, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to do the ringtones on your own. So, you know, hopefully you get it. First, you need to go to Control Panel. Control Panel's right here. And once you do that, you go to Folder Options. Your folder options probably don't be located right here, but it's somewhere on the screen. You hit that, and then I want you to go to View. Once that box open, now scroll down right here where it says Show Hidden Files and Folders. I want you to click that. Hide extensions for known file types. Hit that one too. Hit Apply. Hit OK. Now you exit. I'm going to exit this. Now I'm going to open up my iTunes. Now we're going to go to a random song. Random. No, you know what? Let me get a song that just came out. So, you know. Let me see. Recently added. And let's see. What can I go with? Papers by Usher. Now, you don't have to do it from here. You can go to music. You know what? Let me do it from music so it could be more, you know, easy and wouldn't be as complicated. All right, we're gonna go to music. We're gonna go random song. Go up, down, up, down. What's this? Genuine, Same OG. I want to do the chorus. I'm gonna start mine from the chorus. Now, what I want you to do is keep your eye on this tab bar up here, because now if you keep your eye on, you see it's number 2 and it's 4 minutes and 17 seconds. That's how long the track is. If you keep your eye on this taskbar, you will know when to start your ringtone at. So say my chorus was to start at 14, I will carry 14 over to where I'm gonna take you, and then it has to be a 30-second deficit from within that perimeter that I started from. So say it starts at 14, it ends at 44. It starts at 9, it ends at 39. Whatever it is, it has to end with 30 seconds. I mean, it has to be a 30-second deficit. So like I said, I'm gonna do mine with the chorus. Let's see when the chorus starts. Wait. 35. My chorus starts at 35. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna right click, go to get information. Now you go to options. To make the ringtone louder, you adjust the volume, so you bring that all the way up. This is what I usually do. Do my equalizer preset. Oh shit, what did I say? 38. My ringtone, I told you, is gonna start at 38. 38. 30 seconds from 30. I mean from 38 is a minute and 8 seconds. Oh shit, here we go with this again. Hold on. There's a minute and 8 seconds. 30 seconds, remember. Minute 38. No, a minute and 8. 30 seconds. See it? 30 seconds. Now go to OK. You're not done yet. Almost done. Almost. Now you go back to the same song, same OG. That's the one I picked. And I want you to right click once again and go to AAC version. Now when you hear this thing go ding, it means it's done. It's not completely done. But oh, when you see this shaded gray, it means it's copying it. Now you heard it ding, you're almost done. And now you see that it says 30 seconds, genuine 30 seconds, same OG. It just like copied it. And let's see if it started from the ringtone. Oh. It didn't start quite where I wanted it to start at, but I mean, it's still a chorus. Now, if your computer, your laptop, whatever you have is maximized, what I want you to do is come all the way over to the right corner, and you see this little dash in the middle, not the X, the one in the middle. Hit that. You need a half screen. Half screen, you want half of your background from your desktop, laptop, and half of the iTunes. So wait, let me zoom out for you to see. Okay, now drag that song. You drag it to the background of your computer. Drop it. Now let's see. If you look right here, it says MPG4. Look at the, oh shit, excuse me. Wait, same old G. And then if you look at the file type, which is right here, see this right there, you really can't see. Like right there, it says MPEG 4. Now, what you have to do is, you see this right here where it says MP4? You have to change that to MPR. Once you change it to MPR, keep your eye on this. This is going to change from MP4, I'm at MPEG, and then it's going to say ringtone. You're going to get a message on your screen that says if you change this file extension, the file may become unusable. Are you sure you want to do it? Well, you sure you want to change it? Press yes. Now look, see it? Now it says ringtone. It says ring, right? Now, go to your ringtones. Wait, to make sure you can see, so you know I ain't trying to do no, you think I did some bougie shit. Let me get to my ringtones. Oh, tell me how my computer just froze. This is bogus. Well, anyhow, it probably just froze for a second. I want to show you my phone, and I want to show you that there's no same OG here. We're gonna go to, let's see, options. What is ringtones? Sounds. We're gonna go to, what was that? Ringtones. Everything's in alphabetical order. Same OG. There's no same OG there, right? No same OG. Now let's see if oh my gosh, yeah, I think it's froze. No, I think not. Wait, let's see. Ringtones. Come on. Okay, there we go. I have no idea what the hell is going on. Okay, now it's back. Ringtones. Now, if you check my ringtone count, 81. Now, I'm gonna go grab the song and drop it. Now let's check my count. 82. Now, I'm gonna sync that. I'm gonna sync that to my phone. I'm gonna sync the ringtone, same OG. Let's see. Oh man, my camera only let me do it for 10 minutes. So I don't know if I'll be able to actually show you that it actually synced. Hold on, I need more time. Whoops, it says copied. See up there, it says copying same OG. And my battery's dying. Come on, hurry up. Is it there yet? I doubt it's there. Same OG, same OG. Nope. But I think my thing's gonna cut off at 10 minutes. Because it usually does. It's gonna give me 10 minutes to record. I don't know what I did, but now there's something to give me. And it still ain't moving. I got mad programs open.